Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair the Jabra Solemate speaker with your iPhone. Okay, so there's one thing, when you enter the pairing mode with this speaker you will hear the music and voice notification, and I cannot turn it off or decrease the volume. There is the weak side of this speaker. So let's start, and we have to simply turn on the speaker by using this button. So we have to make it like that, and then we have to move this button and hold it to the Bluetooth option until you hear that sound.
Go ahead and connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone.
You have to go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and then wait until the speaker pops on the list.
Go ahead and connect me. Solemate is connected.
Okay, and as you can see right now we are finally connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.